This is Bloomberg UTV.
Hello there, I'm Hindol Sengupta. Welcome to this very special show on Bloomberg UTV. We have with us the power center of the UPA's legal department, the Ministry of Law, the Minister himself, Veerappa Moily, the Attorney General, Goolam, Vahanvati, and of course the Solicitor General, Gopal, Subramanium. We are here. We brought them together on one platform for the first time on television to talk about revolutionary measures that they want to take to redefine the way justice is delivered in this country. Everything from e-courts to hiring many more judges to incorporating several layers so that justice can be delivered efficiently, faster, and of course across the board, no matter who, how much they earn, and what strata of society they come from. With the UPA's Power Center in Law. Gentlemen, thanks very much indeed for your time and sitting down with us to talk about this. Let me begin then with the Minister. One key idea that brought about this vision document, what did you attempt to do and how do you believe you will change the way law is perceived in this country?
This country has the largest, and the biggest democracy. And this country has also got the biggest judiciary. Our idea is that when it comes to the justice, economic, political and social, everyone should access to it. The justice should be inclusive. At the same time, I should be fastest. The main theme of our vision document is how to get this system right. We have arrears, no doubt.
3 crore cases.
But I think for the population of 116 crores, 3 crores may not be nothing. But at the same time, the idea is that how long they are waiting. They cannot wait in queue for justice. And we would like to see that within 3 years, the cases which are pending since 15 years should be reduced to 3 years. That means to say all those cases pending beyond 3 years will be tackled and the arrears will be eliminated.
Okay,
and we would like to bring about zero tolerance in terms of disposal of cases. While doing it, quality of justice will be ensured, and while quality of justice is ensured, we would also like to see that you render inclusive justice. That means the justice will flow to every segment of the society.
All right. You're, of course, the visionary of this plan. Let me then bring in the 2 architects, as it so happens. Attorney General, the point that people want to ask is, we have a lot of vision documents in this country. What is the implementable goal? In how many years will you make this happen?
Well, the scheme is that we want to bring about tangible results within 2 to 3 years. And the important thing about this vision statement, which is unusual, is that we've identified 9 bottleneck areas. The system has got clogged down because there are certain bottlenecks which have grown up over a period of time, like for instance check bouncing cases, petty offences, matrimonial cases of a particular kind. We've identified 9 bottleneck areas and we intend to tackle them on a carpet bombing basis. So we want to just remove these bottlenecks so that judicial time can then be available to do the rest of the work. Okay. That's a very important
Let me get in Gopal Subramaniam on something that you were speaking yesterday about e-courts. A lot of people want to know how will this actually function, because the vision for most people's idea of a court in India is lots of paper. No one knows what happens in those papers. No one knows what's written in those papers. And therefore, no one knows how justice is arrived at or delivered. The concept of paperless courts, how will you achieve that?
Well, we already have come very close to operationalizing an e-court in Delhi, both in terms of a trial court and also an original side court in Delhi High Court. Now, the design is actually very simple. It is that any claim or any petition is filed online. The web generates actually a receipt. It gives you a case number. The process of issuing a notice to the respondent is also done online. The pleadings are completed online, and the judge actually has a computer, a disk, and then he has a monitor in front of him which has all the documents of that case. the two lawyers who appear, that's for the plaintiff and the respondent, also have monitors, and that is called really a paperless court. So instead of turning over the page, the judge would possibly turn over the page with a touch on the mouse. He is likely to get over to the next page. But having said that, we must know that e-courts has to be an integrated system. This is an experimental system, but ultimately there are various stages in computerization and provision of hardware. And we also have to take note of the fact that many trial courts are in very backward located areas. They've got to be upgraded. They need to have amenities. And at the same time, there will have to be stage 1 upgradation of those courts, computerization there, then integrate them with the district, and then the district with the High Court, and then of course this national grid.